It seems Thanksgiving Day is upon us. I haven't even finished eating all my Halloween candy!
Can y'all see me? You can. Is that gonna fall? Probably. All right, we're currently at the gym. Jam-packed day today. We gotta work out, we gotta go pack. Then we gotta get into an Uber to get Kelly and Caitlin because we're flying back. We're going to Arizona for Thanksgiving to see the whole family. DJ and Lauren are gonna be there, Colleen's gonna be there, Sean's gonna be there, Charles and Winston, Sean's pets will be there, both my parents will be there. It's gonna be an awesome time back in Arizona for the holidays. But that is what today entails. I don't know why I struggle with that sentence so much. That is what the day entails. We're gonna get a good workout beforehand. We're gonna get in there, we're gonna do some cleans, and we got, I think a Metcon after that, maybe do some accessory, but we're moving today. We are moving. Mondo's here today, gym manager. Let's see what he's up to.
You don't use it, you lose it. Fucking facts, bro. Facts. What else? That's all.
There's Mondo motivation for the day. In today's segment of Brady's Corner, what do we have?
We have some flat face down rows against band tension, but I don't know how I'm gonna get tension on the bar, like from this low on the floor. So to do these 3 sets, it's gonna take me like 45 minutes to set up. It's about right for this program.
Got it. We'll check back with Brady after the Metcon to see what he's concocted. All right, 100 double unders, 30 push-ups, three sets, every 3 minutes. All right, Mondo's on the music. Let's see what he plays. And we're not gonna like it, apparently. Mondo's self-conscious about the music he put on. I'm not gonna push-ups.
You better find some, boy.
Much slower. Apparently I'm straight cheeks at push-ups. Let's try to beat that. 138 to 151. Gotta get under 151.
That's all I got.
Come on. 7.
And I'm talking like, no joke, this size ball, like, what the fuck is that?
Oh, God. One. I lied. 233.
That's how you get it done.
Okay. I did not beat. We're gonna wait for Brady broke a band. Brady broke a band.
Shut the up. My bus is right there. Dude, I hate when that happens. I hate having arms this big and a back that could snap a phone book or something.
All right, 138, 151, 232. The push-ups gave way a little bit, but did all sets 100, double unders unbroken, fry the shoulders a little bit. All in all, pretty good. Apparently I'm terrible at push-ups though, so good to know. Gonna stretch it out a little bit. Then we gotta go home. We got a few more meetings. Gotta do a lot of laundry. I gotta pack, then Uber to get Kelly and Caitlin, then get on a plane, and then we're in Arizona seeing the family. Do you wanna do a vlog intro? This is a family channel, by the way, so don't be yourself.
God, I mean, gosh darn it. Dang, nabbit. The knee slapper.
Yo, chest supported rows are literally my favorite because this is how you get rest between sets. Just hit a set and then you're chilling.
Brady, have a good one. I'll see you after Thanksgiving.
See you, buddy.
Nope, can't see me. Boots came in. If you watched the last video, I talked about going to get a pair of cowboy boots. It was pretty uneventful. They didn't actually have them in the store. However, they were delivered to the store today. I went and picked them up. First pair of Tecovas. Let's open them. Still the coolest knife in the game. Batman. Also, I really shouldn't be doing this right now. I got a pack still and I got a shower. However, I want to see the boots. There we go. Box, pretty good. Fine Boot Makers. You guys are getting the whole experience. What is this? Care guide, clean, spot clean dirt. How to take care of your boots. Don't really care about that right now. Good. Man, their packaging is top notch. Oh yeah, look at that bad boy. Oh, look at that. Those are snazzy. First pair of cowboy boots I've ever owned. Tecovas, A+. This is good. And the packaging was really good. Top tier of packaging is Apple. They do the best job. iPhone, iPad, anything you get, like taking off that like protective layer they always put on it. Amazing experience. Tecovas, great experience there, even though I was throwing everything around. I'm gonna try these on real quick. They're not exactly meant for sports shorts, but you get the gist. Good boots, very good boots. Oh yeah. All right, I gotta stop messing around. I gotta pack. We're off to the airport. Kelly and Caitlin are in another Uber. We were all gonna try to Uber together, but then I was way behind because of all my meetings. So they're going on their own. I'm getting there as well. We'll all meet up on our way to Arizona. It's going well, how are you?
Pretty good.
Thank you.
All right, let's get you going.
Right here? Yeah. All right, sweet. Yep. Thank you so much.
Dude,
thank you.
Day,
Happy Thanksgiving. Nice to meet you too.
Yes, sir.
Look who's here. What? Your shoe fell off?
My foot's itchy.
All right, Connor, have a good Thanksgiving. Be safe.
Thank you so much. You too.
Thanks for scotching.
Yep, the camera still works.
Now we move to 6:20.
Make these masks.
A1 to 30.
I'm trying to save a whole row for Kelly and Caitlin. Let's see if it works. I think we're gonna get it done.
Like that? I didn't know.
We got the whole row. This is, yeah, it's a tight fit. Yeah. Caitlin's just too broad.
Yes. I'm huge.
Apparently Southwest doesn't really care much for people's bags. Caitlin just put this in the group chat. That is someone's bag left on the tarmac. Probably not gonna see that when they get to their destination.
Lift up on the buckle. Position the seatbelt load head across your hips and forward anytime you are seated. This is the termination of this flight.
Nice. Very cool.
Yeah, thank you. We moved up to departures because it was absolutely packed at arrivals, and our dad still isn't here. We've been waiting impatiently, but I swear like 30 flights must have gotten all in at once. That was wild how crowded it was. I'm waiting for this stuff to go.
That sounds like spaghetti. I made spaghetti. Hello, camera.
Is Lamo behind me? Oh, that's right.
You really
No, Reggie, off the bed. Just
And there's jasmine in the breeze. Why we can't take a chance? Don't give me the nights like these. Cause young don't last forever, and good hearts don't grow on trees. I know they don't.